Okay, so right now when it comes to getting your physical ISBN processing, you need to make your payment online before you go to their physical office for with all your requirements. So now I'm going to show you how to make your payment online now, and we'll be using the Remitter uh, platform now. So coming to your browser now, you go to remitter.net. Can see remitter.net is already appeared. So I say go. You can see. So when you are here on your remitter portal, what you now do is you come to the option of pay TSA and states. So you click it. This is the next option you get. You see you have other options. So you go to this Federal Government of Nigeria, first options here. You click it. So you have your options here now. Who do you want to pay to? Name of service or people's amount. Select cryptocurrency, payer's name, email, and phone number. So these are what you need to fill in your payment process. So here, say who do you want to pay to? So you are going to type Nigeria, National Library of Nigeria. I'm going to type National Library, National. Can see now, so the name has appeared, National Library of Nigeria. This is what you are going to type in this page. I'm clicking yes now. You can see, so the name is complete. Then name of service or purpose. So you are now going to come here and click come see you have an ISBN and ISSN administrative fees. So this is the option you choose here now. So click this. You can see. So the next option is description. You say okay, description. Payment for ISBN. So this is our description. Then give me code. So this code is, we have codes for general code, and then we have private code for each state. So you have to know your code for each state. You can ask according to the National Library of your state, you can confirm this number, but since here you are just starting and maybe you don't know, you have to use the general code. And the general code for getting an ISBN, which is the give me code, is I'm going to be typing is 100. So this is the general code. Give me code, the general one. So we are using the general code, but you have to use your state one, particularly if you, depending on the state you are going to apply your ISBN. So now I'm going to say okay, amount to pay. Since I'm getting one ISBN, if I'm getting 2, 3, 4, 5, or depending on the number, you know the amount you are supposed to pay. You have to know the amount too. So one ISBN costs 5,000 naira. Then currently that is the price. So you are putting 5,000. If it is 2 you are applying, you put 7,000. If it is 3, you put 10,000. So depending, that is how it goes. Then make sure you get the right amount here so that you don't get rejected. If you put the wrong amount here now, they might not accept it. So now we say okay, currency is already set to Nigeria. Then payer's name, I'm going to write my name. You can see. So I'm going to also write my number. Then email, enter my email as well. You can see. So I'm going to say okay, I'm not a robot. The reCAPTCHA before we submit the application. Okay, so our reCAPTCHA is now correct. So what we do now is submit. So we are submitting the application. The next now, the thing is taking us to our payment portal to pay. You can see now, so we have remitter checkout. You have to pay through one of these methods. So we are using card, which is one of the fastest way again to do this. So I'm so okay. I'm using card. You can see now, so I have to input my card details here. So since you can see they have added their remitter charges as well, so which is 5,188. So you can see that I'm going to put my card number, expiry date, CVV, but this is practical illustration. I can't do this now. So meanwhile, when you pay, the next thing you do here is they are going to deduct all this thing, then they will send you a remitter code, a payment code for remitter success payment. So that is the code you are going to copy it somewhere. Then your receipt will be sent to your email as well. So you go and print that receipt in a physical copy, photocopy it, and you will take it along as part of your documents. Remember, you are taking other things which are usually your CSC certificate, your preliminary pages and book cover, and these are the things you need to take together with this receipt, then print it out. So this is the process of paying your ISBN fees for physical process before going to the library. If you have any question, always reach out to me.